So most of you are asking that I haven't received the Arcade Insider for this month, and can you confirm that whether I have been banned or not? So here is a quick update regarding it. And before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel. So the update is that due to some technical glitches, yes, due to some technical glitches, the Arcade Insider mails were delayed. Okay, it were delayed because if you just see the previous month email, if I just show you that it was around 10th of February or 12th, maximum by 10th or 12th the mails were out, but due to some technical glitches they have delayed it, and whenever a new update comes I'll make a video for that. So till now, do not worry, your points are safe, you are not banned from the program. Keep earning arcade points. All these badges are already live, which will be expiring on 28th of February, so hurry up and complete all these challenges. Most of you are asking that how much points we are getting for these two games. So we are getting total 6 points. In if we compare total month points, it will be 14 arcade points, okay, instead of 11, because we are getting extra points over here, right? So one more important thing, most of you were asking that I have not received Arcade Insider email, so am I safe? Yes, you are totally safe. And how to get the Arcade Insider email, how to ensure that I'll be getting the Arcade Insider email and prizes too? So you have to simply click on subscribe here, also subscribe to the channel. Now here you have to enter the same email with which you have created the Cloud Skills Boost account, and simply you have to click on next and just submit the form. You'll get this copy of this form response on your personal mail, so you can just check your spam section if you are unable to see. Form response copy means whatever it is listed over here, you'll get a simple copy over there, so you can just verify it. Okay, so this was a quick update and important tips. For the solutions, I have already attached the playlist, or you can just check the description box. I have attached the master sheet. You can just navigate and complete all the labs. How you'll find the labs and how you'll find the guide, these are for guides. If you are interested in Hindi, means learning in Hindi, you can just check out the Hindi playlist like this. You have to simply click, you'll be redirected over here. And if you want to know more about in English, all details, leaderboard, etc., you can just check it out. Okay, now coming over here, monthly game solutions are here. You can just click on it, and on the left side the badges are there, and on the right side the solution guide is there. So hurry up and complete it without any issue, because the program will be ending very soon. One more important thing, most people have seen the swags unboxing. So these are the facilitator swags. Okay, whatever you are seeing over here is facilitator swags. And how to become a facilitator, what is the program, I have already shared A to Z guide in here. Okay, you can just watch this video and understand it, and I have shared both the links, okay, in Hindi and English. Also, if you want to participate in other challenges and win cool goodies, this is a video, okay, you can just watch it and participate and win cool goodies over here and just complete the challenge. So this was the quick update I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day.